Hello. How do you call this neighborhood? What's this place called?
Marietta.
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 Marietta Village. Okay.
Yes. She's
Right
Marietta
down this way.
Village.
Same.
Yes.
Thank you
She's
guys.
same.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Same.
So according to the kids, this is called Marietta Village. Wow. It's a beautiful place, gated community actually. Looks like it's tough to get a place here to rent. Marietta Village. Pasig. Let's just go down and see how it goes. Beautiful homes. Actually, most of these are like private homes, I think. It's not a place where you will find so many places for rent. But let's just check it out and see. And I'm sure if you find a place to rent here, it would be nothing less than 20,000 pesos and above. Yeah, because houses are well constructed with parking areas, gates, but mostly they look like family owned, not how are you, not for rent. Oh, that's a vintage car. Wow. It's good for car collectors. Okay. Now we're at the junction. And then there's a gate down there that says no trespassing through to Mabuhay. So probably it's an exclusive neighborhood, or this is commonly called subdivision. Yes. No practice driving, no dog pooping. Yeah. This is most likely a place where you don't pass through. You have to live here to be able to go there. Alright, however, let's go across to Dow Phase 3 and then Raymond Phase 3. Hello, Paul. Good afternoon. Ah. I need to find someone to ask if there are even houses advertised for rent here. St. Jude Thaddeus Parish. This looks like a Catholic mission compound. St. Jude. Yeah. Okay. St. Jude. Okay. Let's go right down to the end of the street and then we see what is written there. Hello. Afternoon, how are you? Nice to meet you. You work here?
Yes. Rider, delivery rider.
Oh, delivery rider, okay.
Yeah.
You guys live around here?
Yeah.
Is it easy to have a place here to rent around?
Yes.
Do you have like
Like,
condo, apartment?
oh, this is a condo.
This one?
Apartment.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Let me go like this and see. I hope I don't go too far. Then I miss my way back home. Okay. Oh. Marietta Village subdivision. It goes up that way. MCGI. Beautiful neighborhoods, but I'm gonna stop here today and then I retrace my steps. Sometimes in these neighborhoods, as a foreigner, it might not be easy to have or to find a place to rent because people are not very familiar with having foreigners live in the subdivisions. So some people might not be very comfortable with it from the start because they don't really know how it's going to go, you know. They're used to most foreigners living in the condos. So getting into the neighborhood to get an apartment sometimes most people don't really take it that well. Yeah. But it's not an impossibility though. Sure. That is for sure. So I would say this is a beautiful, spacious, clean neighborhood. The air is fresh. But you don't really see any apartments for rent. So you can say this is kind of an exclusively family type of area, subdivision. Yeah. Beautiful, exclusive. Party needs for rent. Let's check this out. This might be a good subdivision here. Hey, how are you? Yeah. Ooh. So we have a gate, which means that this is a gated community. As you can see there, it says this property for sale. So it's a gated community, like a subdivision. In this type of places, yeah, you definitely have places for rent. You definitely have an apartment for rent here. So let's take the risk and we just walk through. Hopefully there should be an exit the other way. I was intending to go back where I came in through, but it looks like it's not going to be possible. So let's try something new. Ooh, this is huge, but it looks empty. Hello, Kuya. That might be the place where the advertising for sale. And it's quiet too. You live in here, you work from home, and you probably talk to client over the phone. There will be no dogs barking at night. So it's clean as well as quiet and open. Whew. I think I might have to go back. Yeah. It says welcome to Northwoods. So, U-turn. U-turn. So I had to retrace my steps back out. I don't really know anything about that much, so I don't want to go too far from where I can easily find my way back home. So all right. And right here, I'm going to go back this way. Just because I would like to talk to the kids that I saw down there playing in the street. Hope that they still be there. went, and we're going back. Unfortunately for me, they're no longer there. They were seated here and playing. So maybe next time, or maybe they are at the basketball court. Okay, that'll be it from this exclusive neighborhood, beautiful as it is. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and hope to see you in the next one. Stay blessed.